Hi everyone and welcome to EduLive. So today in this video we are having the workbook answers of your Atati guest textbook, and this is a present textbook. So we will begin with the MCQ questions from first. Answer of first is A, and then the answer of second is D. Then let's move to third part. Its answer is B part. Then fourth, its answer is C part. Then fifth, its answer is fifth B part. Now sixth, its answer is C part. Then seventh, answer is C. Then eighth, answer is B. And then ninth, answer is B. And then 10th, answer is D. And then 11th, answer is A. And then 12th, answer is B. 13th, answer is D part. And then 14th, answer is D part. Then let's move to 15th part, and its answer is D. Now we will move to logic based questions of your textbook. So the answer of first question is, he wanted a lift in the boat to reach Nandigram. Now let's move to part number second, and the answer is, Motilal's servant was not very good at cutting up fish. So let's move to question number third. She wanted to know about his family background. So basically these dots are for, you can just copy from the question. Now let's move to fourth part. He wanted to explore the outside world. Now let's move to fifth part. He had a strong love for wandering to explore new reasons. Okay, now let's move to sixth part. Dash dash dash, there was a pure and natural innocence in his expression which attracted Motilal.
ये हमारे पास CUET की फिजिक्स की क्वेश्चन बैंक है, तो अभी हम उसका एक क्वेश्चन करेंगे. वेव्स एंड डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ देयर वेवलेंथ आर ए ऑप्शन एक्स रेज, इंफ्रारेड रेज, विजिबल रेज, रेडियो वेव. बी रेडियो वेव्स, विजिबल रेज, इंफ्रारेड, एक्स रेज. सी रेडियो वेव्स, इंफ्रारेड वेव्स, विजिबल रेज, एक्स रेज. डी ऑप्शन रेडियो वेव्स, यूवी रेज, विजिबल रेज या एक्स रेज. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी, रेडियो वेव्स, इंफ्रारेड रेज, विजिबल रेज एंड एक्स रेज. तो ये था हमारे CUET की क्वेश्चन बैंक का एक क्वेश्चन. ये है NTA CUET की फिज़िक्स की क्वेश्चन बैंक. इसमें आपको चैप्टर वाइज थ्योरी मिलेगी, लेटेस्ट ईयर 2023 का क्वेश्चन पेपर भी मिलेगा, उसके सॉल्यूशंस भी इंक्लूडेड हैं इसमें, और इसमें आपको न्यू पैटर्न के क्वेश्चंस भी इंक्लूडेड हैं. इसमें 1100 प्लस MCQs अवेलेबल हैं और इसको ओसवाल पब्लिकेशन ने पब्लिश किया है. इसके इंडेक्स में सभी इम्पोर्टेंट कंटेंट्स भी मिल जाएंगे और इसमें हर क्वेश्चंस के करेक्ट सॉल्यूशंस दिए हैं विद प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेनेशन. तो ये बुक आपकी प्रिपरेशन में बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होगी और इसकी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में गिवन है, वहाँ से आप उसको परचेज कर सकते हैं.
Now let's move to seventh part. Dash dash, he wanted to join the amateur Jatra group. Now let's move to part number 8. Now the answer is, she could not tolerate her parents showing affection to Tarpada or praising his good qualities. Now let's move to ninth part. Dash dash, he kept his calm even in the most trying situations. Now 10th part. Answer is dash dash of her illness. Okay. Now let's move to short answer questions of your Prism textbook. And the answer of first is, Tarpada was an adorable and intelligent boy. He had great love for wandering and exploring life. After having left his home twice, he joined a touring Jatra troupe. He won the hearts of the group easily. When the master of the troupe began to treat him like his son, Tarpada disappeared one day without telling anyone. Okay, he was wary of the ties of affection. Love for music impelled him to join a group of Panchali singers. Again, he left this group and joined a group of gymnasts, but soon after he left this group also. Now let's move to question number second answer. Now the answer is, Tarpata was his parents' fourth son. He was the darling of all his mother, brothers, neighbors. All showered affection on him. Even then he left his home because he had a great love for wandering and exploring the outside world. He could not accept ties of love. Throughout his life, he remained a free bird, enjoying his flights of imagination, following his sweet will. Now let's move to third answer, and the part is answer is when the boat set sail, Tarpada took refuge on the roof of the boat in the shade of the sail. He spent his time watching the beauties nature and talking to helmsmen and oarmen. Sometime he took the oars and punted the boat himself. When the helmsman needed a smoke, he would take the tiller. When the sail needed to be turned, he helped skillfully. Now fourth part. Motilal and his wife Annapurna treated Tarpada with love and affection. Motilal took the help of Tarpada in cooking food or steering the boat. Annapurna too treated Tarpada as her son. She felt disturbed by Tarpada's indifference to her hospitality. She longed to feed, clothe, and give succor to him. Annapurna wanted to know about the family background of Tarpada. She wondered why such a good-natured boy left his home and ran away. Now let's move to question number fifth answer, and the answer is Tarpada had heard that the zamindars at Nandigram had founded on a lavish scale an amateur jatra group. Having stayed with the gymnasts for some time, Tarpada was already feeling bored. His only task here was to play Lucknow Thumres at the top speed on the flute. When he came to know that a boat moored near a riverside market was going to Kathalia and Nandigram was on the way, he met Motilal and requested him to give him a lift. His request was granted and he boarded the boat. Now answers of sixth part. Chauruhashi was the only child of her parents, Motilal and Annapurna. She was the sole claimant on her parents' affection. She was willful and obstinate. She had her own views about food, clothes, and hairstyles, but there was no consistency in them. She was a big puzzle, an enigma. She was burning with envy and jealousy. It was beyond her tolerance to notice her parents showing affection to Tarpada. She disliked him because she feel that he was stealing from her affection of her parents. Now seventh part. Sunamini, Charu's friend, had not visited her for some time due to her illness. When she came to meet Charuhashi, the latter was eager to talk to her about Tarpada. She did not know that Tarpada had already met Sonamani and was intimate with the family. This created jealousy in Charu's mind. She would pick up quarrel with Sonamani over trifles. One day, overpowered by anger, after a quarrel with Sonamani, Charu picked up Tarpada's flute and smashed it badly. But this did not upset Tarpada. After the incident, Charuhashi was overpowered by feelings of guilt in her mind. She wanted to seek Tarpada's forgiveness, but she failed to do so. Let's move to 8th part answer. Sonamani was Charuhashi's friend and playmate. She had been widowed at the age of 5. She had been ill for a while and had not seen Charuhashi for some time. When she met Charuhashi and told her that she had already met him, the latter did not like it. Charu grew jealous of her. Like Charu, Sonamani too liked Tarpada and wanted to come closer to him, but Charu, observing this, tried her best to keep her at an arm's length. Charuhashi wanted that others should admire Tarpada's talents from a distance. They should not come near him. For this envy, Charu started quarreling with Sonamani. Ninth part. Now let's move to ninth answer. Motilal Babu and his life thought that Tarpada was good to look at. He was also good in every outward aspect. They thought that if they married their daughter to him, they could keep him at home. Moreover, they realized that Charushashi's foibles, which they ignored easily, would not be received so well by the in-laws. They collected the information that Tarpada belonged to a poor high caste Brahmin family. They sent a marriage proposal to Tarpada's parents, who were well pleased to accept it. Now let's move to 10th answer. Tarpada had a strong wanderthirst. Nature had made him of such elements that obey no restriction. He could not accept ties of love. He always wanted to be free to explore the outside world. One moonlit evening, Tarpada, when the famous chariot festival was due to be held, Tarpada went to the ghat and saw the preparations. To him, the whole world seemed like a chariot festival. Wheels turning, flags flying, earth trembling. His wanderthirst held him so strongly that he decided to disappear from the scene. The thief of all hearts returned to unemotional arms of Mother Earth. Now let's move to 11th answer. Charushashi was willful and obstinate daughter of Motilal Babu. Her relationship with Tarpada, the boy whom her parents had kept at their house as a guest, was quite conflicting and confusing. She had a kind of love-hate relationship towards him. She wanted to draw his attraction and win his love. On the other hand, she expressed her dislike and anger also. She could not help being attracted towards his pure body, worthy of a young water god. But she tore his books to show her hatred and dislike for him. The nature of her relationship has been well expressed in these words of the author. Why Charu, who had tried to strike the boy down with arrows of hatred, was so anxious to claim sole rights over him. In fact, her possessive nature becomes a cause of her love-hate relationship with Tarpada. Now let's move to long answer question. First answer is the title of the story Atiti, which means guest, is quite appropriate and significant. The story is about a handsome, young, and passionate boy with great thirst for traveling. He does not stay at one place for long. He moves away like a guest after a few days stay at a place. As a guest, he comes into contact with different people at different times. In his early life, he is liked and loved by his parents, siblings, and the neighbors. But he leaves his house and moves on to join a musical group. After some time, he becomes a member of the family of a zamindar. Motilal Babu, the zamindar, wants to get his daughter Charushashi with married him. Tarapada simply disappears like an unattached person. Here again, he behaves like a guest and moves on. At the symbolic level, the title of the story indicates that human beings are not to stay in this world forever. Man too is just a guest on this earth. Okay, now let's move to second answer. Tarapada has an insatiable desire to travel. He has no desire or inclination to stay tied or attached to any person or place. This wanderlust and a sense of resignation and detachment keeps him moving from one to the other place. His short stay and his detached attitude towards people and places keeps him wandering like an ascetic. In the absence of a long stay, he does not have any permanent and stable relationship with the people he comes across. He learns different things from the people during his visits to different places, but he never thinks of having a permanent place to live in. This attitude develops in him a feeling of remaining away from others. He likes freedom more than the prison of attachment. His love of music, interest in singing, and rowing a boat all fail to keep him tied to one place. His inability to remain fixed to one place even forces him to slip away when Motilal Babu makes arrangements for his marriage with Charushashi. All this happens due to his inherent wanderlust. Now let's move to third answer. The uncertainty and the mystery surrounding Tarpada's experiences make the story interesting. He appears all of a sudden and takes lift in a boat with Motilal Babu and enters himself to this family. The readers always expect something to happen next. It maintains their interest in the story. Tarpada's earlier experiences with a group of Panchali singers and his joining a group of gymnasts indicate his love for traveling and add to the interest of the story. The story becomes most interesting when Charushashi's love-hate relationship comes out. The visit of her friend Sonomana arouses jealousy in Charushashis. It brings out some more interesting aspects of the story in the form of a conflict between the two friends. The mystery surrounding the sudden disappearance of Tarpada keeps the readers guessing. It makes the story interesting and open-ended. Now, let's move to fourth answer. Tarpata is a young and charming boy. He has a great love for wandering from one place to the other. It takes him to different jatras. He joins a group of singers and then enjoys the company of gymnasts. He likes to steer a boat also. His jatras carry symbolic meanings also. These jatras symbolize man's journey in this world. On this earth, every human being undergoes different journeys. It makes Tarpada's jatra symbolic. Another symbolic significance of these jatras is that human beings remain dissatisfied with life and their varied experiences, like Tarpada. They ultimately disappear somewhere, like this young boy. Yet the jatras undertaken by Tarpada thus symbolize human life. Tarpada stands for every man, and his disappearance signifies ultimate human fate. Tarpada's jatra with music singers symbolizes man's desire to seek internal peace with the help of music. His moving in the company of gymnasts stands for man's interest in the physical, and his working with the boatman indicates the joining of worldly affairs. All of these activities carry symbolic meaning. Now let's move to fifth answer. The restlessness of Tarpada represents the restlessness of our youth. The youngsters find it difficult to stay tied to one place or one thing forever. They like to keep wandering from one place to the other. This results in restlessness and instability among them. It conveys the idea that one can never become a good learner and an expert in a particular field if one keeps on wandering from one place or position to the other. A restless person like Tarpada does not remain trustworthy. We believe that Tarpada is not doing something good by not staying at one place for long. It creates hurdles in learning different aspects of a particular experience. One remains a jack of all trades and becomes master of none. Had Tarpada stayed with the singers, he could have become a famous singer. He could become a great gymnast if he stayed with them for long. He did not remain a lovable and dependable person when he suddenly disappeared from Motilal Babu's house. All of these details established that by not staying for long at one place, Tarpada gained nothing. He proved a failure who could not face the world. So this is all about this video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks.